Hey loves, today I'm doing a quick little haul. So here's just a few of the things that I bought from Dubai that I'm very excited about. The first thing I got is so random, but it's this cushion that I'm leaning on right now. It is from the brand Muji, and I can't explain, like, maybe you can see by looking at it when I squeeze it by how much it goes in. Like, it is like super pillowy. Like, I'm not even the kind of person that sleeps like holding a pillow or just holds pillows for no reason. But as soon as I walked into the store, I saw that everybody was rushing to get these and I had no idea what it was. I still don't even know exactly what it is. But I was like, let me just see what it is. And the moment I touched it, I was like, I have to have this. It's just so amazing. I sit with it on the couch. You can bring it to your bed, just everywhere. I actually got a few things from Muji that I was not planning to buy at all because they did have a really good sale. So the pillows on my bed right now, which I can't show you, they're basically a slightly harder version of this same cushion, like memory foam type of pillows. Very nice and comfortable. Next thing I got from Muji is these little house slippers. To be honest, they don't seem like the most durable thing, but they were really cheap and I was completely out. These slippers, I've been saving them just so I could show them in this video, but I'm gonna start wearing them today. They're nice, soft, very like memory foam inside as well. Nice and comfortable. I don't think they'll last me ages, but they'll do the job. This is a fitted sheet for my bed. It is pure cotton, I believe. I don't think the tag says that anymore. Anyway, it's pure cotton. And to go with that, something I've been needing for ages but couldn't find one is a nice duvet cover. So you can see this is more white. It goes with the rest of my things. And this is more of like a creamy beige. It's also made with 100% organic cotton. So this is just the perfect thing, exactly what I need, because where I live it's hot. This would be the perfect duvet cover. I'm literally putting this on my bed tomorrow. I will be washing these today. Tomorrow it's going on the bed. And the other thing I got from Muji is this top that I'm wearing right now. It's not actually a top, it's more like a seamless bra. So if I stand up, you can see that it's like super seamless all around. It is very comfortable. It has cups built in, but you can take them out if you want to. Next thing I got is this little like wool straw type handbag. I like it because it gives me very much like I go boating or something like that. Like it just gives me like a bougie vibe. It's just a cute little small shopping bag, which is very handy. The inside is all canvas. It has little pockets and it seems extremely durable. Like, I was surprised. I can't remember how much it was again because it's black and white, but the black is kind of off black. It almost looks navy blue. It can just go with so many different things. Okay, so these next things are beauty, and there's not too much, but there's kind of a bit. The first thing is this lotion from Soap and Glory. It's the Righteous Butter Nourishing Body Lotion. This is what it looks like, and the scent is rose and bergamot, and this is their original scent. This is like a very much unisex fragrance. Men can use it, women can use it. Super moisturizing. It smells really good, but this wouldn't be my top pick for like my signature scent because I'm very much a vanilla girl, and this is just in the middle, and I think that it is great to mix with like a bunch of different scents and stuff like that. But if you want this to be like your main scent, if you're just putting on lotion, it's not my favorite, but it's still an amazing scent. It's just not my favorite kind of scent. My favorite kind is the next one. This is the Magnifique Cocoa body lotion, and this one is also, it smells so good. Like I can smell it right now. This one is the coconut and sweet vanilla, and this is the description of my perfect scent. I'm very much a vanilla girl or gourmand vanilla girl, but not like sickly sweet smelling, but still super, just like the definition of vanilla. If you give me a pure vanilla and you don't mix it with anything, I will be happy. So this smells like the perfect blend. Oh, I also love the smell of coconut. So this is the perfect blend. I love the smell of it together. It smells like it could be like if you shampoo your hair or condition your hair with like a really good fragrant moisturizer, and like you walk by and people are like, what is that in your hair, or are you wearing perfume? That's the kind of scent this has, and so I really like it. These are not reviews, this is just a haul because I actually haven't started using these properly on my body, so I can't say if it's like super moisturizing or whatever. I'm basing it on the scent. The next thing I got is the matching body butter, the Magnifique Cocoa body butter, and I love the way this feels. I'm actually wearing it on my body right now. I don't think you can really tell because it's been sitting on my skin for a long time, but it has like really fine reflects in it. And this is what it looks like. It's a super thick butter. And hopefully if it comes close enough to the camera, I don't know if you can see the specks in it, but it has like micro fine shimmer in it, which just makes the skin look extra glowy. It smells so good too, but this one smells a little bit more. It has like the base of a signature lotion. I don't know how to describe it, but like I don't really like the smell of like unscented lotion. So this is what it smells like. It's like if you had unscented lotion and then you add a little bit of coconut and vanilla. So I still like the other one scent better than this, but I have a feeling that this would probably be more moisturizing, but also because the smell is very faint, you can layer a lot of products on top of this. Now next, I got a deal from Bath and Body Works where it's like buy 3 get 5 free, and now you're gonna see all my favorite scents. Okay, the first one is warm vanilla sugar, because this coming year, the entire 2024, I want to constantly smell exactly the way I want to smell. Like when I'm just alone in my house, I've taken a nice shower and I'm just sat by myself, I just want to be like, oh, what's that? I smell so good. This is now my whole vanilla base layer, okay? So this is the warm vanilla sugar. It's a body cream, and what I love about it is it's actually a cream, right? So let me squeeze a little bit out so you can see. Can you see that? It's a body cream, almost like a body butter. And I'm used to using the ones from Victoria's Secret, and those are very much like a light body lotion. And I've got nothing against that, but I prefer like thicker butters because I have dry skin, so I always gravitate towards that. Perfect vanilla scent as well. It's not too overpowering, but you can definitely smell it. Perfect. And when I smelled that, I said, you know what? I need a whole set of products that smell exactly like that, so I can layer each one of them on top of each other and make them smell amazing. So the next thing I got is the warm vanilla sugar shower gel. And they all have the same scent, so I'm not going to go into explaining everything again, but this is amazing. And then I got the warm vanilla sugar body lotion, which is what I actually thought was going to be in the other tubes, and I'm so glad it's not. So I got this. And then I got the warm vanilla sugar fine fragrance mist. So all these layered together is gonna have you smelling like a vanilla sugar cookie. And then carrying on with that vanilla theme, I got 2 of these vanilla bean Noel scents. And to be honest, when I saw this, I was not that ecstatic. It's a Christmas scent, and so when I looked at the packaging, my immediate thought was like a sugary peppermint. And while I absolutely love peppermint, peppermint oil, peppermint chocolate, if you say peppermint chocolate tastes like toothpaste, there's something wrong with you. Okay, after 8, that's the supreme chocolate. Now, as much as I love that, I don't want my body mist smelling like peppermint, okay? And so when I saw this, I was like, I don't know. Then I smelt it. It smells like the most creamy, perfect vanilla. And let's see, does it say the scents in it? Okay, so the notes are fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. Ugh. This is exactly the scent I wanted. And while I thought I wanted to get 2 of the vanilla, what is it? Vanilla sugar, whatever. The first one, I decided to get 2 of these specifically because it's a Christmas scent, so I know it won't be back until the next Christmas. So, yes. Perfect. And to go along with the mists, I did get the body butter as well, which is just as thick as the other one. And I am just so excited. This smells so good. Like I'm going to be the best smelling person I know during Christmas. Like that's all you could ask for. And speaking of, let me just read the notes on the warm vanilla sugar. So this one is intoxicating vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, and creamy sandalwood. Now, I know a lot of people are like, Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret mists are so childish. I used to wear them in high school. Listen, if you want to wear your fancy MFK in the house when you're all by yourself, go ahead and do that. That's fine. But me over here, it's all about the person wearing them, the way it smells on your skin, the way you layer it. I will never stop buying these. I don't care how much money I have. These are amazing. And now I have this nice little bag right here. I am obsessed with this bag. It's so cute. Like it's the only bag I brought back with me because as you can see I'm back home. But I wanted to bring the other bags just for the aesthetic of it when I'm filming, but they were just too bulky and I couldn't fit them in my bags. But I had to bring this bag because it's just so cute. As you can see, the brand is L'Occitane en Provence. I just needed to get at least one thing because I've been obsessed with this brand despite not trying anything. I just had to try one thing and I got this. Okay, the packaging is really unattractive, okay? It looks like olive oil or something. This is the cleansing body oil. Now, the original one comes in like a really nice fancy packaging with a pump. However, it is so expensive for that packaging and I was just like, listen, I'm gonna buy myself a nice fancy decantable bottle. The one in the original packaging was like $20 more or like $10 more than this one just because of the packaging. But this makes your skin feel supple and smooth and it smells so amazing. It's one of those things that's very much a luxury. Like, I'm sure there's drugstore versions that work just as well, but this one, there's just something about it. So the next thing are lip products. I really didn't think I had that much, but anyway. And the first one is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It is the NYX Fat Oil in the color Status Update. And it's just so perfect. It smells amazing. Look at that. The color is perfect. Like, it's like that perfect cherry cola color that's viral right now, but it's timeless. It's just like a red undertoned brown. I think it would suit every single person because, like, from the lightest skin to the darkest skin, it's just amazing. It's not super thick, but it really like makes your lips look plump despite not being plumping. It doesn't feel tingly or anything, but it's just the perfect shade and I definitely want more. The next thing I got is a lip gloss from Kiko, and that is the packaging. I have wanted Kiko for so long and I've never been able to get one. So this one is in the color number 12. This is the 3D Hydra Gloss. And this is what it looks like. It's actually very similar to what I have on my lips right now. Just like more of a lip gloss than a lip oil. And it's like 2 shades lighter than this, if you can see. So it's a great color. It's also like a nice pinky brown that just goes perfect with everything. And then next I got another Kiko lip gloss that I wore out this week and I'm in love. This is what it looks like. Like, when I see Kiko in my head, this is what I imagine. I feel like it needs to get closer so you can see the sparkles. Look at that. Like, this is the perfect like baby pink shade, which fits perfect with like a light lip. If you want to do a dark light liner with like a super bright center, it's not extremely pigmented. It's pretty sheer, but it still has really nice flecks of like pink, gold, and silver shimmers in it, and it's just perfect. And the packaging is just gorgeous. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this slightly different content for me because I want to branch out of only doing hair. Let me know. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. Hit my face right there to subscribe if you did it in the beginning. Watch the video right here if you'd like to see something else from this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!